Hey guys, what's up? This is me, Jacob. I'm back again here with my father. Hey, we got something in the mail. We got ourselves a package, as you guys can see, and it's coming from
PullRite.
Alright, and basically, is we decided to go ahead and get ourselves my parents decided to get a camper. I didn't, obviously, but today we're just gonna decide to unbox it and we're gonna get it all done, and then later in the video we're gonna go ahead and put it on and we're gonna show you guys how to do it. So let's get started. So all together in the packaging, it's 381 pounds. Uh-oh, looks like something's already sticking out right there. But, yeah. Here we go.
Here's one carriage plate.
Alright, what is it called? A carriage plate?
Carriage plate, it goes onto the fifth wheel.
Alright.
It goes underneath onto the pin, and then this, I guess, captures how it grabs onto the fifth wheel to turn it. It goes back.
Alright, there you go, a carriage plate. First thing out. It does come with instructions too, but we don't need that. We don't care about instructions. Alright, here we go. Now on to the next package. Let's see how this goes. As you guys saw, it came with 3 packaging. Came with that tiny one with the carriage in it, and then we got this one and that one. Second packaging. What's in here, Dad?
These are the mounts. So you mount these onto the frame. Looks like basically 2 bolts onto the frame. And then you drill 4 holes and you pin it. And then these bars go on to the pins. And then the hitch goes on top of the bars.
Alright.
So basically, we gotta go under the truck and put 2 bolts on.
Oh, heck yeah.
So it looks pretty easy. It looks great.
That'll be a fun part of the video. This just completely deletes like 200 horsepower from your truck. No, I'm joking, but yeah, those things are pretty heavy. That made that whole box heavy basically, so yeah. All right, on to the big behemoth. Here we go, Dad. Drum roll, please. Ah! Okay, that was a bad drum roll. Whoa, there it is. There's the big old mount right there. Daphne, what do you think about it? Yeah, I know, right? Freaking crazy. All right, well, I think this is most of the 300 pounds of the packaging is right here. And then as you guys can see, it comes with more useless crap we probably don't need. Nah, we'll just throw it away. Probably put it on a fire. All right, guys, we're back, day 2 now, and we're getting ready to get everything going. As you guys saw from the video, we are going to be fishing this bolt through this little area right here, and then this one right there too. And exactly how he's showing right there, we're just gonna be pushing it through, but with this bracket on. So that's basically what we gotta do. And yeah, let's get into doing it. So next up, you want to find the length and the width of your bed, and with that, what you're going to do is you're going to find the exact spots of where the holes are on top of those little hinges things. And you want to put duct tape over them before you do that, and then you want to drill down, and then you're going to find where that hole is. And yeah, there's more in the instructions, but that's basically what you want to do. first pin is in. Now we're gonna be going to this side.
No. I don't like drilling in my truck.
Dad, it's time. It's time you do modifications. Oh yeah, and you can also find this video on my channel as well. Alright, it's a pretty good video. I'll have that linked up in the description and probably find a card on it too. But yeah, other pin time. Alright guys, one side is done. Or well, one part, yeah, the back side. Now we just gotta do the front side. And yeah, it's just rinse and repeat. You just gotta pin these and then you should be good. And then you gotta deal with that. So we just got the, well, we haven't really gotten it set up, but we do got the hitch on the bed. All right, it is on the bed. And the cool thing about this is, you want to explain that? What's the cool thing about this?
Is that we got to put it on the rails.
All right, yes, that, but at the same time, all it takes is just WD-40 when it comes to greasing and everything like that.
Pretty sure with WD-40 only.
This only needs WD-40. The only place that needs heavy grease is, where'd you say? Like around?
This inside of that bowl. So
All right.
you take that out. And everything else is WD-40. So that's awesome. The old style used to be full grease. Now WD-40, not so messy.
So yeah guys, that's something that's actually pretty interesting about this. I wish it wasn't so cold out, but it is freezing. So yeah guys, let's get this thing done. Alright guys, so we finally got done with it and we're pretty excited. My dad, as you guys can see, is very excited. And okay, just to go over some little things here. Where'd you get it all from?
Get this from PullRite.
Alright.
It's a super glide. It's a clean body. It's a clean bed technology. That means you can take everything out of here and your bed will be flat.
Alright.
Cool. That's the best part about this. You take all these pins out and you got a flat bed again.
Nice.
This is the ISR series. This holds 5,000 pounds on the payload.
Okay.
And 20,000 pounds it'll pull.
Nice.
So what this does is
This is big feature?
technology. It breaks backwards when you are backing in your trailer and it turns. This will pull the fifth wheel away from your bed or from your window. So you won't bust out a window, and it does it automatically. When you go straight again, it just pulls it up straight, and you're going down the road. You make a turn, either way, it's got slides on either side. No matter which way it goes, it's going to pull that fifth wheel away from your back window. You're never going to smash a window.
So
you don't have to get out and click a lever to make it slide back.
Alright, so no matter what, you're saying even you don't have to do anything, it'll already automatically move back and forth away from your window in your truck. Alright, that's pretty cool.
One other thing it has is a capture plate you got to put on the trailer.
Yes,
catches
which
that V, which moves this thing.
we do have hacks, and I will put, you guys probably already seen it in the video, I'll have like a little thing saying what that is. But yeah guys, link will be in the description for this, and yeah. One last thing guys, here it is. So it's my dad's tonneau cover. As you guys remember, it's probably like my most popular video. We're gonna see if it fits. So
It is a very tight fit. It does fit. So
just getting there, just barely.
It's going to keep it nice and dry. It's going to keep it rust free. Another thing about this, you only have to lubricate it with WD-40.
Heck yeah.
So yeah, just WD-40
You know,
on
hey,
them rails.
hey, what do we always say, Dad? Sponsor us, WD-40.
Yeah,
Just
we
do
use
it.
all the time.
Just do it.
Close this up, hidden away.
There's that GMC. Oh, it's a little dirty. Don't look at that. All right. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe maybe. I don't know. What do you think about this? That's maybe a little bit too far. I don't know. That might be too much for us. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And yeah, see you guys later. Peace out.